Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna go over the chart with the SPY and a bunch of other stocks, and a few things has happened. I know the title of this video is about getting 2800% return, and I'm gonna show you actually somewhere in the middle of the video. I will go over which stock actually gave me that much return. But first let's take a look at SPY. So what we look is, so for the last couple of days, you see, since I believe last Thursday, the the SPY went on the sideway, as you see here. So we went to 531, dropped a little bit, 527, we bounced back to 531 again, and here you see, this was on, let me see, okay, so this was Thursday 23rd, which was 2 days ago. So it started like at 533, and then you see a massive red candle. The price dropped from 533 all the way down to 530 in the first 30 minutes candle, and then so here consolidated a little bit, and here you see like a massive drop. So we went all the way down to 524, and here on Thursday, I believe it was, yeah, probably around this time, around noon, I want to say, I bought some calls, and then in the morning I end up like selling them for profit. So if we take a look, so this is the call that I bought on Thursday. So I bought the call 532, about one contract for average of 46 cents or $46 when you convert it into the amount that you pay, because it's multiplied by 100, right? So as you see, the return on Friday was 129%. So I ended up like selling it at 78, I believe. So the total return was 69 or 70%, because it kept going down a little bit more once I bought it. But on that day, it went up by 130% almost. So that's a SPY, and that's one of the reasons I rather do swing trading instead of day trading, because with day trading, in the most case, you will get probably like 5, 10, maybe 20%, and that becomes a little bit risky, especially if you consider the fake outs and all that. Plus you don't give yourself that much time for the market to actually correct itself. Or when you go with the swing, like a day or 2 day swing, for example, you buy a contract that in the SPY case is 1 week away to expiry, and then you give yourself some time, and within a day or two, usually it end up going up by 50, 70, even 100%. So the returns are much higher, and the risk, in my opinion, is slightly lower than doing day trading, because with day trading, you're basically doing a scalping, right? You're taking a small percentage profit, and then if you make one mistake, let's say you make, for example, 15-20% in one trade, and then on the next trade, when it goes against you, you don't cut the losses, you're holding the bag, and you're hoping for the market to recover, but you end up losing 60-70%, and so that will wipe out your entire week of profit. If you're lucky, if you're profitable and you've been making money for the last, for example, 3 or 4 days, and then one bad trade could wipe you out. So that's why I rather give myself more time and do swing trades with options than doing day trade, and I've done both. So that's that. And then the next stock I want to actually go over is, let me show you the chart. So I've had this, so this is where it gets juicy. So this is where I made 2800% return. So what happened was I ended up buying put, I believe it was on Wednesday or maybe even Tuesday. So Boeing was around 185, 188, and then what happened was on Thursday in the morning it just drops like, and I'm holding a put contract expiry on the same Friday, so I'm maybe a few days away from expiry. And then on Thursday I actually make one mistake. I put the fill order. I put the automatic order in the morning because I know I won't be able to wake up like 6:30 in the morning because that's when the market opens where I am. So I get actually fill automatically for maybe 30 or 40% gain. However, I'm gonna show you what happened. When I wake up and I look at the contract that I've had, it went up in value by 2,850% on that day, or 1,200 in total, but 2,800% return. Imagine how much would that be. So the contract I bought the put for the put, it was 51 cent or $51 basically for one contract. It turned to $700. Imagine what you could have done if you have put only $1,000 in put. That will give you 2,800%. So that will give you probably, I want to say $28,000 perhaps in one day. That's crazy amount. But I'm doing a small account challenge right now, so I'm doing like 1, 2, 3 contracts, and I only have a few $100 in this account, and I'm trying to grow it to show that everyone can do it with options, especially with swing trading options. You can quickly build your account, and it's not that difficult. Even though it's more difficult than having, for example, $2,000 or $3,000, that would be a lot easier because you have more room to maneuver. So if you have, for example, one bad trade, it wouldn't take a big hit on your account. That's the main difference between having a average size account versus a small account, especially when you're less than 1,000 or even in my case less than $500. It becomes extremely difficult to make money or to grow your account when you can only buy like 1 or 2 contracts at a time. So yeah, that's why it's a challenge, but not everyone start with $5,000 or $10,000, right? But it's possible. So that's the point. So that's that, and I just wanted to go over very quick about the market and what's happening. But I'm mostly watching a SPY, S&P 500, and also Tesla. I believe had a interesting week. Let's take a look at Tesla. Yeah, Tesla had some volatility. It started moving again. Last time I traded Tesla, it was a couple of months ago, 3 months ago perhaps, and it sucked. It wasn't good. You didn't have that much movement a couple of months ago. But here we are, 174 went up to 186. Not bad, not bad for Tesla. And then we had a huge drop again. So you got to be careful with the charts like this, that it doesn't have a clear direction. As you see, you think it's going down, but it's not really going down. It actually is bouncing back, and this is on the 30-minute chart. So this is only in the last week or so. It's not even that long. And then you take a look, and then it just keeps going basically sideways, and then it does a quick breakout. You see, so that was like a level here, a resistance level. It breaks through that 179 and then shoots up all the way to 186, and then next thing it does, next day basically, see it gaps down, and then boom, we are back down again at 173. So you got to be very careful if you're trading Tesla, but there's definitely opportunities. When it's going sideways, you can basically make money both ways. So, but you got to be careful. You got to know what you're doing. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. And in the next coming week on Monday, I'm gonna be uploading more videos. So make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.